Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to create the heartbeat animation 100% for free and super easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you would like to create the animation, let's say for the video asset of your content, however, if you haven't had the specific software or the skills yet, don't worry, because you can keep creating it from the scratch, and this is 100% for free, and you can create it from this Meta AI. So you can visit this Meta AI here, and don't forget to do the login first with your email or the Facebook account, since this Meta still in the one management of the Meta. And after that, this will be the section that you can put the prompt, and here in the Meta AI you can generate the image or create the animation or transform or revive the picture into the video animation, and also you can add something in general. And if you scroll down, you'll find a lot of animation from the another users. So if you'd like to create the simple animation of the heartbeat, so you can start to type the prompt into this section. Here, create the animation of the heartbeat, and let's say in 4K. Basically, if you'd like to create the animation from the prompt, you can actually create or put the prompt in 3 sentences is enough, or not in the one paragraph, or in the simple prompt like this. And after that, you can continue to click this kind of send or enter, and kindly wait for the result. Basically, if you'd like to create the animation from the prompt, this Meta will give you 4 samples of the animation, and each of this animation will have 5 seconds duration, guys. And each of the animation will have the chance to be extended into 9 seconds, only 9 seconds, guys. And after waiting for a while, there will be the heartbeat animation like this, for example. And if you'd like to extend it, then you can start to click this extend animation, and it will be show up here or down here, guys. And also make sure that your connection is good so that the generation process can run smoothly. And now we have the extended animation of the heartbeat, and if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this Meta AI to create your favorite animation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.